At least 4 people have lost their lives and several others are feared missing after flash floods struck Uttarkashi district in Uttarakhand on Tuesday. The disaster was triggered by a massive cloudburst that swept away dozens of structures, including hotels and homestays. The incident took place in Dharali village near the Harshil area of Uttarkashi. The sudden cloudburst caused a sharp rise in the water level of the Kheer Ganga stream, and the gushing waters carrying heavy debris led to extensive destruction across the Dharali Kheer Ganga stretch. So what is a cloudburst? Well, a cloudburst is an extremely intense localized rainfall event defined as 10 cm or more of rain falling within an hour over an area of around 10 km by 10 km. These events are more common in mountainous regions driven by a process called orographic lift. Now you might be thinking, what is this orographic lift? So here is how it works. Warm, moist air rises along the slopes of mountains. As it ascends, it expands and cools, releasing moisture in the form of precipitation. If large volumes of moisture-laden air keep rising without releasing water gradually, the result can be a sudden violent downpour, what we call a cloudburst. Due to their highly localized nature, cloudbursts are extremely difficult to forecast. They often overwhelm drainage systems, triggering flash floods and landslides within minutes. As of now, teams from the State Disaster Response Force, the Revenue Department and Army disaster units have reached the affected area in Uttarkashi. Rescue and relief operations are underway.